the approval of the Bitcoin reserve for the United States is going to see crypto go haywire if that bill is passed into law. We're going to see Bitcoin do crazy things, and all other crypto coins will do crazy things. So that is what everybody's waiting for right now. And that's what everybody's waiting for next year. And right now we are seeing a lot of profit taking. That's why we are seeing this major pullback. Also for gold, it's the same thing. Across board, it's practically the same thing. You see, the year is coming to an end. The next couple of days or weeks, we have how many days to go? Just about 9 days to end the year. So everybody's taking profits to celebrate Christmas into January. So that is why we are seeing this. So I'll be bringing somebody on now to talk about the software. Mr. Folame, if you've been around, you might have met him because I think we had one sometimes in 2 years ago, but he has really improved on the. I'm going to make you a co-host so that you can also share your screen. And like I said, I've been using the software for like again maybe another 3-4 months now, and the result has been wonderful. So, Ebon, you might need to take it away from
Yeah.
and share your screen from your end.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I think people are in the house to respond.
Yeah. Everybody's muted so that we can
Um,
focus.
okay. Okay. Actually, there's no big deal in anything called AI trading or robot trading or whatever name everybody want to give to it. But what I just normally tell people is that AI has become something that either we like it or not, is going to take over many of our manual work. But that doesn't mean there won't be people to be doing manual work anymore because the people who configure the AI, people that will be controlling the AI, people that will be reprogramming the AI, they will still be there. Okay, but if AI is flying jets, is doing medical surgeon for people now, then there's nothing that AI cannot do about trading. But our assumption about AI is that we have different type of AI. People sell AI, they don't trade and they blow people's account. Like me, I've been trading with AI for the past 16 years, and I can't stop using it because as a developer myself, I realize that it helps me a lot, which I'm going to show, or some things that maybe we can give it a shot. AI is inevitable if you want to make your life to be okay. Because what I normally tell people about trading is a freedom. So if you are trading and you are still sweating, you are still panicking, you are still sitting down like you are doing a daily job, then something is not right. Because like me, a day-to-day, 3 days, 4 days, I may not sit with my screen. And when it's necessary for me to stay with my screen, to check my screen, I come and check 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I will do whatever I want to do. Like Delola said, I think about 3, 4 years back, we use the one of my software. I don't know, maybe some of you experience it. But because I upgraded it, I use it, from year to year, I look at the performance, where is the problem, what the next thing I would do. That's why I told him that, I have another version, and I didn't quit. I keep on using it myself, and that's when he said, okay, he want to use it for some time, and until he use it by himself, and he realized what I'm talking about. Then we said, okay, he want to introduce it to his platform. So this is a record of this is a real account, and when you get my software, there's no need for you to struggle with it. We normally have classes. Actually, I'm in South Africa. We have classes.
Ebon, you
Yeah.
have not. We are not seeing your screen, no.
I've shared it.
No. It's my screen. I've made you. this thing now, just share
Yeah,
the screen.
yeah, I've shared it, but maybe you don't see it. Let me see it again.
I'm
Have you
not
seen
seeing
it
your
now?
screen. It's my screen I'm looking at, Abi. Oh, okay, hold
I've shared it.
hold on. Let me see. Let me stop sharing. Oh, okay. I'm looking at your screen. I don't know if anybody is seeing the screen. You can drop a message on the chat box, please. Okay, I can see your screen, Ego. Continue.
Okay. Okay, so all the robots we realize with my experience. I'm 24 years as a trader, and I'm 16 years as a algo trader, and I'm 16 years in algo development. So what we realize is that any robot that doesn't give human intervention always have flaws along the way, because like I said, what makes forex uh, uh, more difficult for algorithm is because it's the nature of DNA that forex has. For example, let me give you an instance, like what Adelola was showing on the screen. Sometimes you will see trend and nobody knows where the trend will come down. So, or the trend will mess up, or the ranging will break out. So all those things, and when we program a robot, most of those robots, when they were programmed, maybe they focus on ranging, or they focus on trend, or they focus on both, or they don't focus on both. And when this situation changed in the market, then it became problem for the user. So all my robots since 2022 are hybrid. What do I mean by hybrid? That if the situation of the market change, the robot will edge and delete itself from your chart. And that is why we normally do one classes. I call it classes because it's a real class we do with our robot in South Africa. So we have classes every Friday for Forex, every Wednesday for synthetic, because I code for synthetic trader also, which I'm going to show every one of us. Everything I'm going to show is not demo account, it's live account, because I don't believe in demo. I don't waste my time on that. So this one I'm showing you is one of the accounts I used to train this year. Is a live account, and you can see that it has been running for 229 days, which is a month to make it a year. And if you look at the robot performance here, it's 84.7. You understand what I'm saying? And if you look at the account, it's real. Actually, I'm showing you from the website, and there's a website called FX Blue, which I can give Delola the link to share with all the community members, so that you can see that everything I'm showing you here is the same thing. Or maybe I should even go straight to the website everybody trusted. Let me quickly go to FX Blue. So that we can be on the same page, guys. Which one is FX Blue now? For me? No. This is WhatsApp. I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes to quickly figure out which one. Oh, okay. Let me do this. Okay. So sorry, guys. Okay, this is FX Blue. I think we are seeing the chart again. Are we seeing the screen? Delala? Hello.
Yes, we can see your screen. It's
okay. So because I'm showing the state, I mean the result on our Robot Hub's website. So, but this is a third-party website which is called FX Blue. Most traders, the rate traders, they normally output their performances. You can see that the robot has been trading since February 2024 till December, which is today. Today, which is 22 of December. This is one of the performance of the software. This is one of the accounts. This account has traded for, like I said, almost 1 year now. Okay, we can even see February to December. We have only 1 month to make it 1 year. And you can see that the way the robot traded is not something that is you're going to make the same thing every month. Though it depends on the market movement and it depends on your understanding how to operate the robot yourself. So that's the reason why we do the classes for the robot user, so that it will help them. And if you miss the class, we have recorded videos that can help you to catch up with whatever thing we do in the class. That's this first account, which is a live account. And this is a second account also, which we can see. This account started in May this year, and this is July. The only time we record a loss is month of November, which is a minus 0.4% of the account. But overall aggregate, we can see that it doesn't have any effect on our system. And this November that we lost, because the robot doesn't use stop loss. It doesn't use stop loss. We edge, because I'm a edge trader myself. I trade like hedge fund manager, and we developed the software like hedge fund manager trader. So you are protected. Your account is protected because we have what we call capital allocation security. So the robot cannot use more than the capital you allocated by asset. But that is by the way, because in future, if you are part of the people who want to use the robot, in the class you see how to do capital allocation, and we do trimming by FIFO, trimming by LIFO, random, and rollover, price zone management, which is price zone management is something that most of you have been using with Adelola, because I can see the way he analyzes his chart. The robot trade with demand and supply zone on higher time frame. If you are a scalper in the market, you can set the robot to be trading like a scalper like you. So, and when there's a problem, because of we have what we call pre capital allocation. Let's say you have $100 in your capital allocation per asset. Let's say you are trading pounds USD, your capital allocation is $10. Immediately your drawdown is $10. The robot deleted itself. It will hedge it for you. Then what do you do with the hedge? Because many people doesn't know how to trade hedge. And if you look at most of the traders, they don't even talk about hedging. Hedging is what hedge fund manager use to trade mostly. So that's what we are now going to teach. How can you trim the edge using FIFO, LIFO, and randomization? And how do you do rollover at the end of the month? All this take you only 10 minutes per week or 10 minutes in a month. All the people that are using the software, they have got used to it. As I'm talking to you now, by the grace of God, we have over 100 people using it across the globe, not Nigeria or wherever. Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Australia, UK, Canada. And can you imagine, for 6 months, 7 months, people have not blown their account. They didn't even have -$1 in their capital. Though the equity is what some of them, because people doesn't understand what is called hedging. That's what we are guiding them. So, but nobody has ever blew an account, and they are doing fine. So that is the basic thing about the robot, because it's a subscription something. We are building is a website that you don't even need to contact anybody. Once you are a member of the website, I want to use it, you go there, you download the end of the software, and when you are a member, you have access to all the products that we have developed for traders, and all of them, we are doing classes for all of them. So you generate your code, your token, your everything yourself independently. You come to the class, because once you are a member, or you are one of our member, you get a lot when we are going to have the classes in a week, and you'll be part of us. Then after that, apart from Forex, we design robot for synthetic assets. I know many of us doesn't trade synthetic asset, but we develop robot for the synthetic asset, which I'm going to show us as well. But unfortunately, we can't show synthetic result performance on FX Blue. I just wrote them last week because they don't have server configuration for synthetic assets. Many of us doesn't know synthetic assets. Synthetic asset is asset that is computer-based algorithm. It's trading 365 days in a year. Saturday, Sunday. Like today, when I share my report with you, you see what I've made today also. Why is synthetic asset is okay? It's okay because, like I said, it's a computer market. Computer generated the market. And if you have a very high-tech robot, it will help you to make money, even on Sunday or Saturday. like normal forex will close on Friday, and we know that by a few couple of hours time, normal forex will come up, but the reef doesn't sleep, and it has its what we call some of its own indexes. In 2022, in 6 months, we make $100,000 on the reef alone, me and my team, and that's why. But we have issue with them. That time is very difficult for us to pick the money, because 6 months, $100,000 is not easy. So, but now we've understood the market very well. So we know how to do everything properly, and we guide most of our clients going forward on it. So let me quickly share that interface with you also. Then if you have a question, maybe Adelola will now start, let us know who want to ask question. So now this is Adelola, you let me know, maybe you are seeing the screen also.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, we can see it. I can see it.
Okay, this is a synthetic asset. You can see that we have volatility 75, volatility 150, boom 500, crash 500, crash 1000, crash 500. And if you look at the robot currently, it's even trading because we don't off it. Saturday, Sunday is trading. So like I said, if I come to history, this is what the robot has made today. This is a live account, it's not demo. You can check, you can see the live server on top. And this account is 3 weeks, 21 days account. And if you look at this account, in that 21 days, Saturday, Sunday inclusive, if you look at it, you can see that as of this night, it has done $826 on $3,658. So the balance is this, and this is the deposit of the account. The first deposit, I think we deposit another one sometimes last week, which make it to become 3,000 plus. But you can look at something like, if you can see something that you can use to trade 247 across the year, and you can do. I'm not promising anyone that you are going to be doing this kind of much return, but I am telling you, if you attend our class, you use the robot the way we told you to use it, we guide you, we do everything, because our own product is not something you buy, then you'll be chasing us on all over internet. No, we have classes. You come to class, you make a question, you write everything, we answer you, and we give you presets. Preset of the robot, how the one that is giving us results, we give it to all members that are using the software. So, and you don't need all this kind of money, like 1,000, 2,000, no. But the more the money you have, the more the breathing space you have for the robot to work effectively. Let me show us another account, because in my group, in our memberships level, we have some clients that said they want to use $100. This $100 account, you can see this $100 account, it has done $66 profit, and it's trading only volatility 150S. I can show us, you see this account. I loaded this $100 into this account November 6th. So it's over a month, it's going to 2 months, a few weeks time. And you can see that it's trading 247. Nobody is attending to it. Nobody have anything. So it's not that you must have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. No. The robot has what we call capital allocation technology that can lock your allocation at the particular drawdown, and with the experience of trimming and rollover, you can make your income properly on it. So this is all I just want to present to you guys. So I think I will stop here, and if Adelola have any question, then maybe you can answer the questions now. Thank you.
All right, so Egon, thank you so much. I don't know. Basically, maybe I will. What I'm going to be doing is I'll drop the link to sign up with the robot, and also for the purpose of this group and this class, I've already negotiated with the designer, Mr. Folani, and I just spoke, to give us whoever sign up, everybody that sign up will be giving 30 days free to use the robot for free without paying any money. So maybe you can just fund that. What I'm going to suggest is you can fund a cent account, maybe with, I think Xness have a cent account. Forex for you also have cent account. Maybe I'll drop the link to sign up with all those brokers, so that you can, if it's $10, just put it there and test it. Maybe between now and you have 30 days to test it and see how it works. So anything you want to do, like I always say, you want to test it first. Don't go and. But I've been using this robot for like 3, 4, 5 months now, and it's been very wonderful. I'm using it to trade currency on a hosted VPS account. So you can just test it and see how it is. And then, like I said, you need to also, there are some videos on the website that you can watch when you sign up. I'll drop the link to the website if you want. If you're interested, let me try and get the link. I'll drop it in the groups. Give me.
Then Adelola,
Yeah.
sorry for the site, because we have not started loading the robot on the site. We just finished the platform. So because currently we normally give license to people manually. People users requested for it, then we give. But we realize that we are delaying people to use it effectively. So that's why we did the up platform. So if anybody even sign up now, the robot will start next week. So that if anybody's robot to subscribe to subscribe, and like you said, if we have about 10 people, you let me know those 10 people that will sign up and test for 30 days. It's not a problem, because when those 10 people want to subscribe, they won't subscribe directly. I will need to subscribe them as test member for 30 days.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but from next week, I think we are fixing everything, because the level of the website now is we are integrating Bitcoin and USDT payments for the membership. That's what we want to face between tomorrow and Friday. Then immediately we finish that one, we start uploading. The designer of the 3D cover has already started work today. I've just finished meeting with those guys, our designers. So from next week, they will be seeing that we are uploading. But if they sign up, they will see most of the tutorial, the classes we had in 2024. So they can start practicing, watching it while they are waiting for the robot to be uploaded. And like I said, anybody that sign up through you, please, those 10 people, just give me their details, their membership code, their email, so that we can, at the back end, you can assign 30 days testing for them once we upload the robot.
All right, no wala. So I think that's what we're going to do. So you can sign up and use it for 30 days free. Like I said, I'm also going to be dropping the broker. You can use the Xness and Forex for you, and some other ones. You can also, just put $10. $10 will give like 1,000 cents.
1,000 cents, yeah.
Sorry, $10 is 100 cents. I mean, it's 1,000 cents.
1,000 cents.
1,000 cents.
But anybody that set up the fund, the account, you remember that they don't understand how the robot works for now. So please just let me know that group of people that are using. Maybe you open another WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to set up another WhatsApp group this night. I'll drop it on
because with 1,000 cents, I would advise that they should not trade more than one asset. How are they going to set up the robot for that 1,000 cents? I will need to come to the class and explain to them. And the video they will be watching, I'm going to be dropping the link on that group so that they will watch it. 2025 should be an amazing year for everyone, because those people that, as I'm talking to you this night, Delola, somebody using the software has already qualified for funding of Xness. He just called me this night, and he's using the robot on Axie for, I think, for $500. They send him message now. They will fund him. I think they will fund him tomorrow. So yeah, that guy is on our training group for the past 6 months. I think he used the software for the past 6 months, and he has been, so it should be a wonderful time. But that doesn't mean you are not going to trade again, because like I said, our robot doesn't do everything. It works to a place when something wants to go out of the hand, the robot would delete itself, that is when you human being will come in, and that's why the classes is very important to anybody who have interest to use the robot. It's not like the other robot you have been seeing that you just put it there, then you don't have control of your investment. No, our own robot, you have control of your investment. Anytime there's a danger with your account and the robot senses it, it deleted itself. Adelola, you have been using it.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
you will now be doing your rollover, yeah, everything, and that's where the class come in. So if you take it serious, I think 2025 should be amazing year. Like we have amazing year this year by using the robot already. So I think it's okay with everyone.
All right, okay, thanks. So, okay, somebody's asking. I think I'll be taking questions. How much will be the subscription after 30 days? Monthly subscription. How much is it a year?
Our monthly subscription is just $50
Okay, $50 every month.
every month.
Okay, all right. So
And we have yearly subscription.
then,
Yearly
what about the affiliate side? I think we will need to talk about that one back though. If somebody is using probably your affiliate link or my affiliate link, do they use the robot for free?
No, they can't use the robot for free, because when everybody's using it for free, then the affiliate doesn't make sense, because you have to make money from affiliates, and now everybody is using it for free. So what happened is when you sign up, you have your own affiliate referral link. If it satisfies you and you want to invite any member of the family or whatever, you share the revenue from the company. And I think, Delola, we need to talk about that so that you are the one that you will discuss with your community. You understand?
All right, no wala. So okay, somebody said, is it for forex alone? I think he has explained. It's not only for forex alone. You can trade gold. Yeah, it's not only for currency. You can trade gold. You can trade Bitcoin with it at the Bitcoin on MT4. But
Yeah,
for
you can trade anything on MT4 and MT5.
yes, you can trade anything on MT4 and MT5. Yes, even I think there's some apart from Bitcoin. I think Ethereum is also on MT. I'm seeing Ethereum on MT4 and MT5 now. You can use it
Yeah,
for
but
that.
even there's some brokers now in South Africa. I don't know, maybe it has come across Nigeria. There's some brokers in South Africa now that they trade all the cryptocurrency pair Saturday and Sunday.
On MT4, right?
Your MT4, MT5.
As long as that asset that you want to trade is on MT4 and MT5, you can trade
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
You can trade that asset. But
And you can trade synthetic asset on
like I
Granny.
said, two things that I want you guys to do. If you can they use it on a demo account? Can they use it on because I don't want anybody to miss out. But
Yeah,
my problem with demo account is that when
you
people are using demo account, they are not serious about it.
I would say anybody that is serious should be able to risk $10. $10 in cent is 1,000 cents. Why do you want to be using demo? But
Eh,
demo and read are not the same thing.
they are
I
not
used to
though.
tell all my members, don't even talk about demo. When there are a lot of even if you put $1, that is $100. You can use $100. I mean 100 cents. $1 is 100 cents. You can, if you want to test something, $1 should not be a problem for you. Or $5. $5 into
Even
five
$5 is
dollar
okay. If you
five
can,
dollar to the
if you say you can't even afford $10, just try $5.
yeah, $5. $5 is 500 cents.
Just put
You
it
know?
in a cent account and start
Yeah,
using it. Start playing with
yeah,
it, and just so
yeah.
that you have a feel of the
Of you are doing something real,
yes.
because it's a cent account is money. So it's on a live account of a broker. Then the most important thing is anybody that sign up or log or register on the platform while they are waiting for us to upload all the material, please, you must have them on your member group, so that you can give me all their details, because I will assign the robot for 30 days from the back end.
Okay.
Yeah, so that there will not be somebody has of even register immediately. That's good. I think that's where we call it a day.
All right.
Just let me go, because I need to
All right.
attend to
Before
one
you
or two things.
go,
Yeah.
calm down. People are still asking questions. I don't know if anybody is going to have any other question. But like I said, I'm going to set up another WhatsApp group or a Telegram channel after this, so that people that are interested can join, so that we won't be mixing it up. Like I said, if you're in the financial industry and if you are learning how to trade, there's something they call edging. Hedging means that, let's say you are trading crypto, you also want to diversify into probably currency. I've been saying this for so long. And the purpose is so that you can have a feel of the market, across board. So that when you are trading currency, you know what is going on with crypto, because everything's intertwined. And that's how to be a real full trader for me. That's my perspective about trading. And that's where using AI or robot also comes in. As you are trading manually, you can have an account that the robot is trading for you. Like I am. I have an account that this robot is working on. And then I'm also watching it. I'm also trying to understand it works, so that you never can tell in the future I might want to switch totally to just trading using this thing, using robot. All right.
And
Okay.
the good thing is, Adelola, the good thing is you can realize that a good trader will always tell you that demand and supply is the best with higher time frame. So this robot pick is a signal from demand and supply from higher time frame. So it's more accurate. It's more accurate. And the way we develop it, if you blow your account, that means something has gone wrong. You can 99% sure. If you attend the classes and you listen and you follow all the instructions, you can. If I told you don't make profit for 20 years, you don't make profit for 20 years, your capital will be on the platform for 20 years. Not that you are blowing accounts. That I can tell everyone.
I mean, I've been using it. I know, because it's a very conservative, year. Yes, Pastor. If you have a current live extents and FX for you, you are eligible. Of course, you're eligible. And then in the next class, maybe there will be. I think you have videos for teaching how to set up VPN, the free VPN with Amazon, right?
In fact, if anybody sign up, we've loaded some video from YouTube there. I think the first line you see how to set up VPS.
All right. So as we call it today, I'm going to set up. I see some people are signing up on the platform, so I'm going to set up a WhatsApp group for this robot. Then I'll drop the link in the groups. Just join, so that number one, we can know those that are interested and start having, even if it's once a week classes. So now you can use it.
Yeah.
Then number two, also those that have signed up and they want to use it to get the 30 days free subscription, so that you can test the robot and see how it works.
People, like I said, people can sign up even today or tomorrow or next, because the robot is now, we have not started uploading the software. We are still working on those areas. But if you sign up, we are not going to assign your dates today. We are going to assign your first day. We'll be counting the day we uploaded the software. And Adelola will tell you when the software is already loaded on the site for them to download. Then we will not start counting 30 days from there, not from the day they sign up. The 30 days will start from the day they downloaded the software.
All right, cool. All right, so thank you for Mr. Fulani for coming up to.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you everybody for coming up. So like I said, next year, like you also said, this year is rounding up. If you sign up this year, and if you notice the market, that volatility and equity and liquidity has been very slow. So towards the end of the year, it's always like that. So before we now start seeing okay, the broker links, don't worry, Daria, I'm going to drop it. Before you start seeing real movement in the markets, that will be next year, maybe mid-January, second week in January, when everybody's back, hedge fund managers, major retailers, the brokerage house are open and they are back in the market. That's when we start seeing, real volatility and real movement in the market. So, but for now, you can just sign up to that link I dropped on the chat box. And also, I'm going to set up a WhatsApp group that everybody can join, and then so that we can track those that are interested. All right. So, thank you everybody for showing up. We'll see you during the week. All right. So, good night.